Pythagorean Theorem. Pythagorean equation is named after the ancient Greek thinker Pythagoras. The equation is a square plus b square equals to c square. For example, find the side x and perimeter of the triangle below. So this one. So this one is x, this one is x, you have the 4 feet, 6 feet, so your solution of that one Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean equation x square equals to 4 square plus 6 square. So you have that one, x square equals to 16 plus 36, x square equals to 52, or x equals to square root of 52 equals to 7.21 centimeter. This one is for letter A. Then for letter B, area equals to 1/2 BH equals to 1/2. B is 6, you have that one 4 equals to 12 centimeters squared. Then letter C is perimeter equals to 7.21 plus 4 plus 6 equals to 17.21 centimeter. Number 2, find the side x, area and perimeter of the triangle below. So your solution, letter A is side x. So you have this one, x squared equals to 14 squared minus 9 square, or equals to 196 minus 81. So x is equals to 10.72 feet. So area equals to 1/2 times 9 times 10.72 equals to 48.25. 7, so 1 is feet a meter squared. For letter C, perimeter equals to 9 plus 14 plus 10.72 equals to 33.72. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 15 meters. And one side is twice as the length of the other sides. Find the length of two sides. So your solution is 1 x squared plus 2x quantity squared equals to 15 squared. X squared plus 4x squared equals to 225. X squared is equals to 45. Or x is equals to 6.7 meter. The other side, 2x is equals to 2 times 6.7 is equals to 13.4 meters. So the two sides, x 6.7, other one 2x is 13.4 meters.